Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. Firstly, I want to give you information that very soon your midterm will start it. Start preparation and please complete your notes. As I am giving you PDF in Saturday, please write in your English fair copy. You know very well that English two copies were there, one for beehive and second for moment. And write the notes in a particular way. In beehive copy, you distribute the copy in half portion. For the first portion, you write it prose, that means chapters, and in the second portion, you write it poem. And moment in simple way, you write chapters wise, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 like that. Okay? In previous class, we already started a new chapter from your beehive book. That is chapter 6, My Childhood, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Before we proceed to the class, we just recall the chapter. My Childhood summary deal with the famous biography, that is Wings of Fire, of the celebrated Indian APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam tells us about his parents and important role of his friends in his life. As I told you that APJ Abdul Kalam was born into a Muslim family, and that was a middle class. His father and mother were both of good nature. Kalam's childhood house was ancestral, that means old house, but pakka house. He lived a simple life. His father made all the necessities available to his children. His parents didn't have any high education, and they were also not rich. But Kalam had the qualities of self-discipline and honesty due to his parents. Abdul Kalam was only 8 years old when the Second World War broke out in 1939. Suddenly, a great demand of tamarind sheets increased. That time, Abdul Kalam collect the sheets and sell them to market. For that he got 1 anna or 6 paise. And Abdul Kalam happy after getting 6 paise. Jalauddin tells story about Second World War. After then he dressed in the headline in Dinamani, that was newspaper. Rameshwaram was a small island. That's why not affected by the World War. But suddenly, India joined Allied forces. That time, state emergency was declared in the country. That's the condition in emergency. The president ruled. Now let's continue the class. The first casualty came in the form of suspension of the train halt at Rameshwaram station. The newspaper now had to bundle it and thrown out from a moving train on the Rameshwaram road between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. What's the meaning of casualty? That means loss. Halt, that means stop. Now the first impact of World War on the people of Rameshwaram was the cancellation of the train stoppage at the Rameshwaram station, and then went further to Dhanushkodi. But now the halt was cancelled and the train went from India to Dhanushkodi without stopping at Rameshwaram. With this, the newspaper bundles which used to come for Rameshwaram was thrown out of the moving train as it reached Rameshwaram road. For what purpose? Only for Second World War. They are affected with Second World War. That forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the bundles, and as if naturally I filled the slot, Samsuddin helped me earn my first wages. What is the meaning of filled the slot? That means fit into a place easily. Forced, that means compelled. Slot, that means place. Now, APJ Abdul Kalam's cousin Samsuddin used to distribute the newspaper in Rameshwaram. As the train stoppage was cancelled and the newspaper bundle was thrown out of the moving train, he needed someone to help him to catch it. That time, APJ helped Samsuddin by catching the bundle and distributing the newspaper. And for that, in return, Samsuddin paid him a salary, which was APJ's first earning. Half a century later, I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money for the first time. What's the meaning of surge? That means rise. Pride, that means sudden increase in the feeling of satisfaction derived from one's own achievement. Half a century, that means after a period of 50 years. Now, the incident happens 50 years ago. Even now, when he writes the book, he could feel satisfied and proud of himself. APJ says that whenever someone earns his own money with his hard work, he feels it is the same way as he did. It feels so happy when someone earns his own money with hard works. Your confidence level increased that time and you feel so proud. Every child is born with some inherited characteristic into a specific socio-economic and emotional environment and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father, from my mother. I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness, and so I did my three brothers and sister. What's the meaning of figures of authority? That means a person who had authority over another person, or to say a person who has the power to give orders or to make decision. What's the meaning of faith? That means trust. Goodness, state of being good. What's the meaning of inherited? That means a characteristic or a quality which you have got from your parents or ancestors. What's the meaning of socio-economics? That means relating to social and economic factors. Now, for a child, the figure of authority in his parents and the next figure of authority over the child. Now, here APJ is saying that whenever a child is born, he has some qualities which he acquires from their elders in his family only. This depends upon the social status of the family and the environment at home. From his father, he inherited honesty and self-discipline. From his mother, he inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. His siblings also inherited these qualities from their parents. I had three close friends in my childhood. Ramananda, Sastri, Arvindam, and Shiva Prakashan. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmins families. Close means what? Close means fast friend. Orthodox, that means conservative. Now here APJ had three best friends during his childhood. Their names are Ramananda, Sastri, Arvindam, and Shiva Prakashan. All of them belongs to very strict Hindu Brahmins family and were ardent followed by their religious. As children, none of us ever felt any difference amongst ourselves because of our religious difference and upbringing on fact. Ramananda Sastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, the high priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Later, he took over the priesthood on the Rameshwaram temple from his father. Arvindam went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. Site, that means place. Pilgrims, that means person, holy places. Catering, that means supplying of provisions. Difference, that means being different. Priest, that means the head of a temple. Took over, that means got the post. Now here, as APJ was from the Muslims family, he says that during his childhood, all the children were so close to each other that they never felt they belongs to different religions. Religion was not a barrier in their friendship. There is a very famous temple in Rameshwaram, that is Rameshwaram temple. APJ's best friend Ramananda Sastri, the priest of this temple. When these three friends grew up, Ramananda Sastri took the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple. Arvindam started a business of transporting the pilgrims. And from the Rameshwaram temple, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. He was in charge of the catering for the railway. During the annual Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of the Lord from the temple to the marriage site, situated in the middle of the pond called Rama Tirtha, which was near our house. Now here, what's the meaning of ceremony? That means function. Ideals, that means images. Situated, that means located. Rama Kalyanam, that means ceremony. Rama Kalyanam ceremony is known as Kalyanam Mahotsava. It means marriage festival. In South India, marriage is known as Kalyanam. So Lord Rama and Sita marriage is called Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony. It is the ceremony of the depictions of the marriage between Sita and Ram, and very famous festival. Ideals, that means images. Now whenever the Sri Sita and Rama Kalyanam ceremony used to take place, APJ's family also took part in it. They used to arrange the boat for it. They used to make a special platform on the boat on which the statue of Ram and Sita were placed and transported from the temple to the marriage site. which was in the middle of a pond named Rama Tirtha. The pond was near APJ's house. When he was growing up, he never thought that there was any difference between Hindu and Muslims. As they participate in the Hindu festival wholeheartedly, there is no difference between Hindu and Muslims. Further, we will continue the rest part of the chapter in next class. Till then, goodbye.